family, friends, and fans. It's actually pretty late at night, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. I'm gonna do the best that I can. I just wanted to show you guys this project. Now, I promised you guys, I said that I was gonna try to do a whole journal with just brown paper bags. Now, you can get these at your local 99-cent store, department store, craft store, hardware store. I mean, they have these everywhere. And they usually go for about like $1.49, $1.99. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take 2 of these. And I've already pre-cut a little craft. I have some craft paper and I just cut a craft strip. So the goal is to put the craft paper in between these 2 spaces. Now you can do it where, because these 2 little flaps are going to be pockets, so you can do it where there's 2 pockets on the same side, or there's a pocket here and no pocket here. I'm going to do it with 2 pockets on the same side. And then I'm going to get my double-sided tape, also from the 99-cent store, to the length of the brown paper bag. And I'm going to cut it down the middle. I don't like to do this with the scissors because then the scissors get all gooey, and I'm not into that. And I'm gonna just place this as close to the edge as possible. And that little part right there, I'll end up putting some of my tacky glue in a minute. By the way, I like this one. It's still Aleene's, but you can stand it up upside down, and it has this like cap that's really helpful. So it keeps the glue always ready to be used because you can stand it up. Now we're just gonna, now I'm doing this really quickly because I've already done quite a few sheets, so I just want to show you one time this technique. So I have score tape there. And then I'm just gonna and then we're going to also put over here for the pockets, right? Cool. And on this side, it's not very easy working with a long strip like this one, but I make it work. And also, I want to get it all the way to the top. So I'm not as chatty tonight because I'm trying to stay nice and quiet. Even though there's still a couple of people that are up, but I don't want to be that guy. So we can cut off a little strip, like from right there. You can cut that off to make it perfect. So here, this would be our book, and you would fold it right in the middle. And I really haven't seen this technique online. I've seen doing an entire journal with the brown paper bag, but it ends up being that you fold the paper bag and then it becomes like a mini album. I haven't really seen the journal being used with the bag in all its full thing. And I'm not saying that there aren't any videos out there. Maybe there just aren't enough that they end up on top and I could see them. This is the technique that I came up with, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I have a couple more. I have a whole bunch more that I've done already. I've also gone ahead and decorated a whole bunch. Just wanted to show you guys some of these pages. And these are all paper bags. Now, these are, so this side is not a pocket. But this side is. And so if you created little card tags and little journaling cards or whatever, you could. Another thing, I don't know if you noticed, but this looks like it looks like it could be a manual, a masculine journal. Like this looks like a man could enjoy traveling around with this and maybe documenting on this and stuff. And what's great about this is you're utilizing the full paper bag, so you're not doing anything to the paper bag. I do plan on maybe stitching the ends here. I don't want this side to flap open like this, even though it does make for opening the paper bag a lot easier. I don't feel like it's necessary. Like you could still open the paper bag. So I promised you guys that I would do this, and so I finally did. And so I'll decorate one with you here watching. Okay, so I have a couple of sheets already. I have some scrapbook paper already pre-cut. I could use that one, or I could use one that contrasts completely. And this is always the challenge, is finding the right pieces. I don't know which one I want. I guess maybe we can do an alternating scheme here. That might work. So you can do this one of two ways. You can either use your double-sided tape I don't want to deal with that right now. You can either use your double-sided tape, if the double-sided tape ever sticks out, just tuck that sucker right in and it'll be fine. So this side I did it with the double-sided tape, and this side I'm gonna do with tacky glue. Now obviously this way is going to be faster, and with the glue you have more control, you have more time to make things happen. And I always say, I try to say it as often as I can in my description, but there are many things that I have seen in the crafting world. You know, like I said in a recent video, I learned a couple of things from Martha Stewart back in the days, you know, more than 20 years ago, with the old school style of scrapbooking. And I do have a bone folder, really I do. It's just a matter of finding the bone folder. I know that I was crafting in my daughter's room the other day, and I think it might have gotten mixed up in the makeup bag, so I haven't checked yet, but I have a feeling my bone folder is resting somewhere between primer and eyebrow pens, brushes, and the like. So this way is a lot faster. What I like about using the double-sided tape is the neatness that it offers. This side is a little more bumpy. The bone folder usually helps me with that. Yeah, no use trying to find it. So, I mean, you can really so there you have it. I didn't do the other side, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then what I will do is I'll bind it in another video. I'll finish it, bind it, and put a cool book cover on it. And you know what? If you saw my recent video where I made this faux leather for a book cover, I think I just might use part of it for this, and maybe I can make 2 of these. Let's see how much I have here. Yeah, I can make 2 of these. Maybe the next one I can make a little smaller than this, or maybe the same, about the same. But I think it goes really well with the pages. If you look at it, I think it goes perfectly with the pages. So I think that's what I'll do. Instead of using this for one big one, I'll use it for 2. For 2 of these. So I hope you guys enjoyed making this. If you have tips, if you've seen this before, let me know. Please send me the video. I have seen people do complete journals with paper bags, but I've never seen them do it like this. So just let me know if you have. Either way, this was something that I came up with and I really enjoy it, and I'm looking forward to doing more of these. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Good night.